Top 8 Cheapest Vintage Cars. Number 1. Lincoln Continental. 1977 year of issue. 1977 Lincoln Continental 2-door hardtop. Has the 460 V8 engine, an automatic transmission, should run and drive. We haven't had it running in a couple years. Body is in very nice condition. A small bubble forming on one of the quarter panels. Clean title. Asking $3,000. If you like our videos, subscribe. You'll help us a lot. Number 2. Ford 4 Dr. Sedan. 1957 year of issue. 1957 Ford 4-door sedan. Has the original 6-cylinder engine. Was told by the previous owner that he had it turned over last summer. The fan felt is broke, so we put a socket on it and tried turning it over. It won't turn over. That's all we've done with the car. It has been the same family since new. It still has the original seat plastics on it. Needs floor pan repair. Some rust on the rockers and quarters. Clean title. Asking $3,000. Located in Thief River Falls, MN. Number 3. Packard Sedan. 1952 year of issue. 1952 Packard 4-door sedan. Has the 288 8-cylinder engine. Was told by the previous owner that it turned over, but something was wrong with the points. We cannot confirm that, as we don't have the keys to the car. Has rust in the floor pans in the front. Body is in decent shape. Has some rust. Overall, a nice and complete car. No title. Asking $3,000. Number 4. Chevrolet Setin. 1964 year of issue. 1964 Chevy C10 pickup. This is a 2DU long wheelbase pickup. Has the inline 6 engine. Engine is seized up. Bosey has minimal rust. Floor pans need attention. Would make a great project for someone. No title. Asking $3,000. Located in Thief River Falls, MN. Number 5. Chevrolet 60. 1966 year of issue. 1966 Chevrolet C60 truck. Has the original 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission. Truck runs and drives. We haven't had it started this year, but should fire up. Body is in decent shape. Very minimal rust. Small spot of rust on the driver's side floor pan. Box sides are on the truck. Clean title. Number 6 Chevrolet van. 1963 year of issue. 1963 Chevy Corvair Greenbrier van. Has its original engine and transmission. Engine is locked up. Body has very minimal rust. Very restorable and complete. No title. Asking $3,000. Number 7 Ford Phone 150. 1978 year of issue. Does not run, has 302 auto sighting in truck. Only very fixable truck. Was from the south. Sat a long time, had a 350 Buick in its shipping Avalel. A YW, a YVL 3201T0, 3 Mo NTHS. Number 8 MG 1100. 1963 year of issue. The original 1100cc motor has a cracked block and will need to be replaced. All parts are present, and I have found several motors available over the last year online. The exterior is in decent overall condition. I polished the car to help reveal any issues, and overall, it's in pretty good shape. There is a little surface rust at the lower rear area and a few dings that should be easy enough to rectify. The floors, boot and inner rockers are solid. If you're interested in more vintage cars for sale, be sure to subscribe to the channel. You'll be helping us out a lot.